Aruba's National Library has an effective partnership with many universities in the United States. Speakers are invited all year round to instill knowledge on the librarians, staff, and general public. This week, an expert in short video production is on the island to discuss how to string information, visual, and sound together for viewers to understand. Claudia, Dold, and Ronnie Alders says the collaboration Aruba's National Library has with the universities in the United States is a partnership where both parties benefit from.
I think it's extremely important for Aruba to collaborate with a broader international university community. We all have the same problems. Some of us need different solutions, but we can learn from each other. So I think it's intellectual collaboration in the very best manner.
Claudia is an assistant university librarian who specializes in creating short 2 to 5 minute videos. Students and the general public who goes in and out of those libraries are able to watch the videos and learn what the facility has to offer. Mr. Alders says by Aruba's librarians and staff understanding how to create more effective short videos to be used in their library will ultimately benefit the Aruban community.
Well, first of all, I think we will have more cooperation between the other American universities, and also the public and the students will have a better idea on what we have to offer in the library with these film footages. For example, we can make a video for children and show the children and their parents that we have new books in Dutch, in the Dutch language, in the English language, and the Spanish language, and Papiamento language.
On that note, we will be right back. Take a look to see what is coming up next.